Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we got a double unboxing. We got the UE Blast and the UE MegaBlast. Now both of these are available on Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The price for the UE Blast, $230. The price for the UE MegaBlast, $300. Now both of these are available in 4 colors. You got Blizzard, which is a black and white combo. You got Blue Steel, Graphite Black, and Merlot. Now, if you want the Blast, all 4 colors are the same price. But check this out. If you want the MegaBlast, the Blizzard is $300, the Blue Steel, $273, the Graphite Black, $250, and the Merlot, $300. So if you want to save a couple of dollars, go for the Graphite Black. Now, they also sell a charging dock. This is going to run you $40. We'll check this out too. All right, so we'll start off with the little version, then we'll take it to the big boy. UE Blast, portable Wi-Fi Bluetooth speaker. Now this features Amazon Alexa, so you got all your voice controls, control your Amazon Music, TuneIn Radio, iHeartRadio. Let's go through the features real quick. Amazon Alexa voice enabled, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now this is IP67 dust and water resistant. It doesn't float, but it can get wet. You got 360-degree sound and 12 hours worth of battery life. Now with the big boy, same thing, Amazon Alexa enabled, control all your Amazon features. This one is Wi-Fi Bluetooth, Amazon Alexa enabled, IP67 also, 360-degree sound, but you get 16 hours worth of playtime. So that's one of the differences, more battery life and more sound. All right, so we'll unbox the small one first, and then we'll take it to the big boy. All right, here we go. Shout out to White Shoes, she got the day off. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. What we got today? Shout out to Little Unboxing Knife, back from vacation. Rah! I know. Extra dramatics. One more? All right, why not? Let's keep them dramatic effects going. Say it with me, y'all. Rah! Okay, beautiful presentation so far. This looks pretty funky. Ultimate is. All right, no shortage of tape on this. Rah! Here we go. Whew, now look at this. This is a presentation. All right, so here's your speaker. Very similar to the UE Boom and the Mega Boom. Inside, here's your charging brick. You got your usual books and shit. Plug them, follow them to the side. And your UE charging cable. Now, I do like this charging cable, but the one downside to it is this. Let me show you. This end. Now, this makes this only available for this speaker. Well, basically what I'm trying to say is you need this charging cable to charge up the speaker. If you got your phone USB charging cable or your portable speaker from somewhere else, it might not work. And I'll give you a demo. So don't lose that cable. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. All right, so that's pretty much it for the box. Let's take it over to the big boy real quick. Let's get through these tape struggles real quick. Rah. One more. Struggling. Rah. Okay. I know. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me, y'all. Right. Okay. I'm about to activate beast mode. I'm trying to be nice. All right, here we go. One more. Now, you just paid $300. You want a nice presentation, so I'm not going to complain. Here we go. Woo! Check this out. Now, this is a lot heavier than I thought. Looks very similar to my UE Mega Boom, but the buttons look better. Okay, let's see. You got your same usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. And your charging cables. Now, instead of yellow, they went with the white versions. All right, so let's take a look at the little guy first. On the top, here's your Bluetooth pairing button. This is your multifunctional button. That's how you're going to control your Amazon Alexa. Plus and minus, volume up and down. Ultimate is. On the bottom, here's your carabiner hook. Now, you're going to unscrew this if you want to use that charging dock. So we'll take this off right away. And that's pretty much it. Now, this is a nice, durable speaker. I had this speaker for maybe, 2-3 years, ever since it came out. And look how this looks. Now, this been through the ringers. This is my official travel speaker. So it's been dropped down the stairs, been in my luggage, been beat up, and it still looks brand new. So one thing I can co-sign with UEs is they make quality speakers that are very durable. Now, the same thing with the big boy version. On the bottom, you got your carabiner hook. We'll unscrew that. That's how we're going to use that charging dock. Plus and minus, volume up and down. Multifunctional button, that's play and pause. Activate your Amazon Alexa, and there's your Bluetooth pairing. Now these look beautiful. Now let's go through the charging cradle real quick. The power up. Now this one is gonna run you $40. You're just gonna beast this one open real quick. All right, so you got your usual books and shit, little setup guide. I just filed that to the side real quick. And here's your charging dock. Okay, so this is gonna use the provided cable that came with your speakers and another little carabiner hook. Now, how does this work? Let's see, matter of fact, we're gonna need this. All right, so we're gonna plug this into the bottom of the speaker. Plug it in, we're gonna screw it in. We're not gonna plug it in, we're gonna screw it in. All right, I'll do that in a second. I know, I'll do that in a second. All right, so let me grab a phone real quick. We'll pair these both up and we'll do a little sound test and see how the Amazon Alexa features work. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so we got this all set up, so now let's test it out. Now, as far as the pairing process, real simple. Hold down the pairing button, go to your Bluetooth menu, and select the Blast. Next, you're gonna wanna download the Ultimate Ears app. Now, from this app, you got full control of your speaker. So let's go through the menus real quick. You can add a speaker, you got help. You can turn your Alexa mic on and off. You can check all your statuses. So you got battery, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and I'm signed in. You got the rest of your settings. So you got the speaker name, Wi-Fi, auto sleep timer. I'll leave that at 15 minutes. Change the language, and there's your firmware updates. Now you also got volume controls in the bottom. All right, so let's test this out. Alexa, volume 10. Max volume. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:42 a.m.
Alexa, what's the weather for today?
Currently, in Jamaica it's 40 degrees with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect intermittent clouds, with a high of 48 degrees and a low of 40 degrees.
Now you also got full control of your music. Alexa, play Mobb Deep, Temperatures Rising.
Playing Temperatures Rising from your library.
Okay, now I gotta let y'all know this speaker is loud. I'm surprised how loud it is from this small speaker. I can't wait to hear the big one. Let's do a little sound test. I'm gonna play some non-copyrighted music. Let's take it over to Bike Life and see how this sounds. Now this is full 360-degree sound. Charging dock. Let me pause this. This sounds crystal clear. Max volume is very loud. Now, I will suggest getting the charging dock because you see how dope that is. You don't got to fumble around with this little micro USB charging slot at the bottom. You're just going to plug in that little cable. I'm plugging that little adapter, and you can plug it in just like that. So now when you're ready to dip out the door, grab it and keep it moving. All right. That sounds crazy. I can't wait to hear the big one. Let me set up the big one, and then we'll do a little test on this one. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so I got the big boy set up, so now let's test this one out. Same app, same functions. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:51 a.m.
Alexa, volume 10. Alexa, who won the Knicks game?
On Monday, the Knicks lost to the 76ers, 108-92. They'll play tonight at 7:30 p.m. in New York City against the Wizards.
All right, now for some music. Let's take it over to Bike Life once again. All right, let's get max volume. Oh, now this one sounds good. This is the one right here. All right. On a scale of 1 to 10, these are a major go. Now let me give you a pro tip. Both of these sound great, but $230 for this. If you get the graphite black version of the MegaBlast, $250. Spend the extra $20, get the MegaBlast. Now, of course, there's some things that I don't like, and let's talk about those real quick. Number one, there's no built-in speakerphone. Now, not the biggest deal in the world, but nowadays, most speakers have speakerphones built in. I would have liked to have seen that. Next, no controls on the speaker for skip and playback. All right, so you can't skip your tracks, you can't reverse them. You're gonna have to use all your controls from your phone. So every time you want to go to the next song, unless you're using Amazon with the voice controls, you're gonna have to pull out your phone. Next, speaking of Amazon, the Alexa functions only work with Amazon Music or Amazon streaming services. So if I'm playing a YouTube video like I was playing just now, I can't say Alexa and skip to the next song. I'm gonna have to use the phone. Next, you can't pair two of these together. Now, hopefully that will come with an update, but that would have been so dope if you could get two of these, because this one sounds amazing. Two of these together, this would have been my new travel setup. Even though this is my new travel speaker, I could officially retire the UE MegaBoom. Next, battery life. Now, on the MegaBoom, you had 20 hours. On the MegaBlast, you got 16. And in the Blast, you got 12. So you caught a little decrease in battery life. That's pretty much it. Other than that, I would say these speakers are a major go. The sound quality on this one, the mic is not going to do it justice. I'm digging the rugged build to this. Now, it doesn't float. That's another thing I don't like. It doesn't float, even though it is IP67. So if you're having that backyard barbecue and it starts raining, don't worry about it. But if you drop this in the pool, your ass better know how to swim. Other than that, these are definitely a major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.